Hello, how are you, dear children? So, children, from today onwards, we are going to start here with the next chapter, that is Madam Rides the Bus. So, actually, this is a story about a very young girl, and yet she has been called here as Madam. She has been addressed to as Madam. So, there are certain regions on account of which she has been given the title Madam, and she goes on the ride of a bus. So, how the journey continues and why she has been addressed to as Madam, all these things you would come to understand as we proceed on with the story. So, let us start with line by line explanation. There was a girl named Valli Ammai. So there was a girl, what you have been told here, that there was a girl whose name was Valli Ammai. Valli Ammai was the complete name, Valli Ammai was the full name of that girl, who was called Valli for short, but she had been nicknamed as Valli. Her full name was Valli Ammai, but she was nicknamed as Valli. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. So the girl was just 8 years old. कि वो अभी बड़ी मुश्किल से 8 years की ही थी. उसका पूरा नाम था वल्ली अम्माई, लेकिन शॉर्ट में उसको वल्ली कहते थे सब. वल्ली वल्ली उसको कहते थे शॉर्ट में. और वो अभी केवल 8 years की थी. But she was very curious about things. So she had got a very inquisitive mind. She was always curious about the things. वो जो कुछ भी है उसके चारों तरफ होता था उसको जानने के लिए वो बड़ी उत्सुक रहती थी. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house. So that was her favorite pastime. Pastime means entertainment. That was her favorite entertainment, that she was standing at the फ्रंट डोरवे ऑफ हर हाउस, कि वो अपने घर के बाहरी दरवाजे पर खड़ी हो जाती थी और दिन भर सड़क पे देखती रहती थी. ये उसका सबसे बड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट था, क्योंकि उस जमाने में कोई पबजी वगैरह ये तो होता नहीं था कि वो वल्ली पबजी खेलने लग जाए. अब तो खैर बैन भी हो गया है, हो भी जाएगा तो उससे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. तो मिनी मिलिशिया वगैरह से भी जो खेलने वाले हैं वो लोग काम चला लेंगे, लेकिन वल्ली के नसीब में ये सब चीज़ें नहीं हैं. तो उसके लिए तो एंटरटेनमेंट के नाम पर केवल दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर के बाहर की तरफ ताकना ही उसका एंटरटेनमेंट है. Watching what was happening in the street outside. So in this way, throughout the day, she was standing at the doorway and she had been watching over the activities happening outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. So she hadn't got any playmates, she hadn't got any friends as such, and that is why this was the only thing that she had to do in order to entertain herself, in order to enjoy herself. This was the only thing that she had to do, कि केवल दरवाजे पर खड़े रह करके केवल सड़क निहारते रहना, बस इतना ही उसका काम था. But for Valli, standing at the front door was every bit as enjoyable as any of the other elaborate games other children played. So, children, what you have been told here, that standing at the doorway and watching over the activities happening outside was the greatest entertainment for Valli, and for her, it was just as enjoyable as the other elaborate games that the children of her age used to play normally. कि वल्ली के लिए दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर के बाहर की दुनिया को देखना वो सबसे बड़ा मनोरंजन था. उसके लिए ये चीज़ उतनी ही एंजॉयबल थी, उतनी ही मनोरंजक थी, जितना कि बड़े बड़े एलेबोरेट गेम्स, बड़े बड़े डिसेंट गेम्स जो दूसरे बच्चों के लिए होते हैं, कि वो चाहे जिस भी तरीके के गेम्स हो, चाहे कंप्यूटर गेम्स हो, चाहे जिस भी तरीके के आउटडोर प्लेइंग वाले गेम्स हों, चाहे जैसे भी हों, तो जैसे बच्चों के लिए गेम्स होते हैं उसी तरीके से वल्ली के लिए दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर के बाहर की दुनिया को देखना था. उसी में वो मस्त रहती थी. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. So as she was standing at the gate throughout the day, she was also getting an opportunity to experience something unusual every day. कि हर दिन उसे कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता था दरवाजे पर खड़े खड़े. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. So one of the most entertaining things that Valli liked was to see the bus that had been connecting her village to the nearby town. कि वहीं से खड़े खड़े वो जो चीज़ों को देखती थी, वो जिन चीज़ों को देखती थी और उसमें जो चीज़ उसको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद थी वो उस बस को देखना था जो उसके टाउन को शहर से कनेक्ट करती थी. कि दिन में 2-3 बार वो इधर से उधर आती थी और वल्ली को बड़ा मज़ा आता था उस पर लोगों को चढ़ते उतरते देखना, और वो इमेजिन करती थी कि कभी वो भी बस राइड कर पाएगी. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. So in this way, the bus had been making a journey to and fro. It was going to the town and then coming back and then again going to the town and then again coming back. So it was a journey to and fro. कि दोनों तरफ से आने जाने की जर्नी थी. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Valli. So every time when Valli witnessed the new passengers in the bus, she was really over ecstatic. कि हर बार जब वो देखती थी कि नए नए पैसेंजर्स बस में चढ़ रहे हैं उतर रहे हैं तो she was really over ecstatic, वो overjoyed हो जाती थी. ये उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा मनोरंजन था कि अरे देखो वो देखो उसने कैसे कपड़े पहन रखे हैं, अरे वो तो देखो उसने लाल साड़ी पहन रखी है, तो ये सब, अरे देखो उसने तो टोपी लगा रखी है, तो ये सब जो है उसके लिए बड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट होता था वल्ली के लिए. Day she watched the bus. So as you have been told that she had been standing at the doorway and continuously she had been staring at the bus and whatever had been happening outside the house. So most of the time it was the bus that had been entertaining her a lot, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head. So as she was watching over the bus continuously, a tiny wish, a small wish just crept into her head. A small wish just arose into her head. कि उसके मन में एक इच्छा जागृत हो गई. इस बस को लगातार देखते देखते उसके मन में एक इच्छा जागृत हो गई. एंड ग्रीव देयर, और ये काफी इंटेंस हो गई ये इच्छा. शी wanted to ride on that bus even if just once. So Valli had got a fascination that she would ever like to have a ride in the bus. She had developed a kind of fantasy that she must be getting an opportunity to ride in the bus at least once even. So this wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. So earlier it was just a wish, earlier it was a little wish, but then it was converted into an overwhelming desire. It was converted into an overwhelming means extreme desire, कि अब इसके बिना रहा ही नहीं जा सकता है. तो इस तरीके से ऐसी इच्छा उसके मन में आ गई. Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. So Valli, as by her habit, had been staring at the people who had been getting into the bus and coming out of the bus. And in this way she was just making an imagination that if only she would also be getting a chance to make a journey by bus. She wished if she could get a chance to make a journey by bus. कि उसके मन में ये इच्छा आ गई कि कभी ना कभी उसको भी एक चांस मिले कि वो बस में बैठ करके जर्नी करे. तो ये चीज आपने देखी यहाँ तक. Their face would kindle in her longings, dreams and hopes. So children, already you have been told that she had been standing at the doorway and she had been gazing out at the bus. She was really quite joyous to see the passengers getting on and off the bus. And such passengers who were getting on and off the bus had kindled means ignited, कि जिन्होंने उसके मन में जला दी थी, एक लो जला दी थी. So such passengers had kindled in her a kind of longing. Such passengers had given her a kind of desire. They had given her a kind of dream and hopes that one day she would also be able to make a journey by bus. And now this little wish had grown into an overwhelming desire that you have already seen. कि ये जो एक छोटी सी इच्छा थी, ये एक जो है बहुत बड़ी डिजायर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गई थी कि अब उससे रहा नहीं जा रहा था. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be jealous. So what is have been told here that if any of her friends had made a journey by bus and if he or she had been making a description of the journey to the town to Valli, Valli was really jealous कि अगर उसका कोई फ्रेंड कभी बस से यात्रा करके आता था और उसको अगर अपनी कहानी सुनाने लगता था यात्रा के बारे में, तो वल्ली बहुत जेलस हो जाती थी. To listen. She was really very jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. तो वल्ली उसको उसकी इस बात पर कि वो जो अपनी जर्नी को डिस्क्राइब करता था या करती थी, तो अपनी उस फ्रेंड की बात पर वल्ली नाखुश हो जाती थी और उसको उसके ऊपर कमेंट करती थी प्राउड प्राउड, घमंडी घमंडी. कि जैसे उस जमाने में बस से जर्नी करना भी बहुत बड़ी बात थी, कि जो बस से जर्नी करके आता था और अगर अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताने लगता था तो लोग उसको घमंडी समझते थे कि देखो बता रहा है कि हम बस में बैठे हैं. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. So what you have been told here that neither she nor the friends of Valli had known the meaning of this word proud, but they had been using this particular word as a slang ऑफ डिसअप्रूवल, कि उनको इसकी मीनिंग नहीं पता थी इस वर्ड की, लेकिन इस वर्ड को वो यूज़ करते थे एक स्लैंग की तरीके से, एक अपशब्द की तरीके से डिसअप्रूवल शो करने के लिए, कि मतलब किसी भी चीज़ को अगर आप अच्छा नहीं समझते हैं तो उसको प्राउड प्राउड कह करके और उसको स्लैंग की तरीके से ये लोग इस्तेमाल करते थे, उसका मतलब वो नहीं जानते थे कि इस वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है। तो ऐसा आपको बताया जा रहा है कि अगर कोई भी वल्ली का फ्रेंड अगर वल्ली को अपनी जर्नी डिस्क्राइब करता था, अगर वो बस में बैठ करके आता था, तो वल्ली को बड़ी जेलसी होती थी कि देखो हम नहीं बैठ पाए और ये बैठ गया, और तब वल्ली उसको प्राउड प्राउड कह करके उसको चिढ़ाना शुरू कर देती थी। Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully to the conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. So, when Valli had been standing at the doorway, very intently she had been trying to overhear the conversation that had been going on between the neighbors who had been making a regular journey by bus. कि जब वल्ली अपने डोरवे पर खड़ी होती थी तो वो बहुत ऐसे कान लगा करके, बहुत ऐसे ध्यान लगा करके उस कन्वर्सेशन को सुनती थी जो उसके नेबर्स करते थे, जो रेगुलर विजिटर होते थे, जो रेगुलर ट्रैवलर्स होते थे बस के द्वारा, की बस से जर्नी करने वाले लोगों की कन्वर्सेशन को वो सुनती थी और एंजॉय करती थी, जानने की कोशिश करती थी कि बस जर्नी कैसी होती है। And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. So sometimes she had also been asking some discreet, some wise questions. Discreet means बुद्धिमानी से भरे हुए कुछ questions भी पूछती थी कि अच्छा बस उलट जाए तो क्या होगा, पैराशूट होता है क्या बस के अंदर कि नहीं होता है, बस उलट जाए तो गिरने लगे तो क्या पैराशूट लगा करके कूद सकते हैं, और these kind of things. So this way she picked up various small details about the bus journey. So in this way, she had been trying to collect information about the bus journey, as to how the ticket is to be purchased, as to how the journey is to be executed, as to how the rest of the formalities are to be done. कंडक्टर को 100 रुपए का नोट दे दिया तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि कंडक्टर बाकी पैसा मार के बैठ जाए, दे ही ना वापस. So the town was 6 miles from her village. So the town where she wanted to go was just 6 miles from her village, and she had developed a great fascination that one day she would also be making a journey by bus. The fare was 30 paise one way, which is almost nothing at all, she heard one well dressed man say. So, as children, if you have been told that Valli had been gathering information about bus journey, she must have asked some regular traveler. And he was a well dressed man, and he must have told Valli that the fare is just 30 paise, which is nothing. कि 30 पैसे में क्या होता है, केवल 30 पैसे ही तो किराए के लगते हैं. तो एक वेल ड्रेस्ड आदमी ने वल्ली को ये बताया, तो डेफिनेटली उसके हिसाब से 30 पैसे माने कुछ भी नहीं रहा होगा. बट टू वल्ली हु स्कैर्सली सॉ दैट मच मनी फ्रॉम वन मंथ टू द नेक्स्ट, इट सीम्ड अ फॉर्चून. सो डेफिनेटली for somebody who has been earning huge amount of money, definitely 30 paisa would have been nothing. But for Valli it was really a fortune. For Valli it was really a big sum of money, because she was not in such a condition that she was going to see that amount of money from one month to the next, कि इतना उसको महीने महीने के लिए जेब खर्च भी मिल जाता रहा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. तो वल्ली के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा पैसा था 30 पैसे बचाना. The trip to the town took 45 minutes, and at the same time she had also been able to know that the trip to the town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. So that is what she had calculated, that if she goes one way and pays 30 paisa, and then if she remains on her seat, because she was a very young girl, so she was wise enough to understand that she must not go out, otherwise she may be lost in the town. So she decided that when she reaches the town, she would remain seated on the seat and she would pay another 30 paisa, and the same bus is going to take her back to the village. कि वो काफ़ी समझदार थी और अपने हिसाब से काफ़ी समझदारी दिखा रही थी कि टाउन में वो छोटी है, खो सकती है, तो वो क्या करेगी कि 60 पैसे का इंतजाम करना है, 30 पैसे इधर से और 30 पैसे उधर से, और बस से उतरना नहीं है, वही बस वापस 30 पैसा देने पर गांव भी ले आएगी. दिस मेंट दैट शी वुड टेक द 1 o'clock आफ्टरनून बस, reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. So that is how she had made a calculation of time, that if the journey takes 45 minutes and if she starts the journey at 1, so then definitely at quarter to 2, that means 1:45, that is quarter to 2, she would be reaching to the town. And then after 15 minutes at 2, if the bus moves back by quarter to 3 or 2:45 she would be able to reach back home. तो ये सब उसने कैलकुलेशन अपने दिमाग में बैठाई कि 1 बजे बस चलेगी, 45 मिनट में पहुंच जाएगी, पौने 2 पर वो पहुंच जाएगी, 15 मिनट बस वहां रुकी रहेगी, तब तक वो शहर में ऐसे ही देखेगी खिड़की से, और फिर 2 बजे वापस बस चल देगी और पौने 3 पे वो घर आ जाएगी. On and on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So Valli was just continuously busy with her thoughts. She was just planning on and on continuously. She was just planning and replanning and making all the calculations related to the journey. So that is how she was going to perform her first journey by bus. So the remaining things we are going to see in the next part.